In this machine we introduce our new samples like the mattress fabric, types of fabric we can make on this machine.
रेसिपी होती है, वो पर्टिकुलर रेसिपी में उसको बार बार डाई करते हैं, लेकिन बार बार वो डाई के अंदर हमारा फैब्रिक जा रहा है, वहाँ से बाहर आ रहा है, एक बार ही नीचे आ रहा है तो डाई होता है, फिर ऊपर जाता है तो एक पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर पे वो ड्राई होता है, उसके बाद फिर वो नीचे आता है, फिर उसकी डाई
लोग देखने वाले हैं। अगर आप टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्रीज में आना चाहते हैं तो आपके लिए ये वीडियो काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है। सो हेलो सर, कैसे हो आप?
Hello, I am fine and I am Deepak Jurel, working in Textile Machinery Division, Volta. So we are from Universal MEP, Projects Engineering Services Limited. Formerly it was known as Voltas Limited. We are as a Tata Enterprise. So we are into this business from last 60 years. It is a Textile Machinery Division. We are dealing in different kinds of textile machinery, from yarn to yarn, from spinning, post spinning. See, this is our machines catalog. We are having all the principles from across the world. Okay, so we are working for these principles, and we are providing sales and services in India for all these principles and from the machine. And we don't have to do any stitch after coming the garment. Just wash it, press it, sell it, wear it, whatever you want to do it, do it. Okay, so this is a new latest technology. No ever in world is having this technology. We are only having this machinery. In India also we are promoting already our customers having these kinds of machinery.
garment only is made on this whole garment Shima Sheki machine. There is no cutting and stitching over this garment. You can see in the back all this shaping has been done inside the machine only. There is no cutting. You can see this seam and the neckline of the garment. Even the undergarment is the whole garment. Even this is made in this machine only. Even this contains no stitches, and all this programming for this machine done on this software. This is our Apex system. You can see. Okay, so this is a system to support our machine, because we are talking English and Hindi. We understand our language, but machine do not understand our language. So for example,
As
you can see.
I already introduced whole garment. You can see in this garment you cannot see any stitch. Okay, even this there is no joining points. You can see. Okay, and even this pocket is also coming out from the machine only. We have not joined this pocket, and even this button holes also coming out in this machine. You can see.
ये सारे आप इस मशीन पर आप बना सकते हो?
हाँ, ये सारे इसी मशीन्स पे बने हैं. ये हमारी मशीन्स पे बने हुए हैं. इनके पास ऑलरेडी हमारी मशीन्स हैं, लाइक मोंटी कार्लो, अरविंद, स्वेटर्स इंडिया, ये सब सैम्पल्स. Okay, now we will go to our India. For the know about textile, want to do anything in textile, they can anytime come to our office.